Hi, my name is Nate. In this video, I'd like to demonstrate how we can add links to text components in mbark. There's a companion article adding links to text, as well as a sample iOS project. The links for both are in the description below. Let's start by opening up a screen in mbark. We see we have a label here. Now, if we were to select the text in this label, we notice we have suggested phrases we can add. Let's add the terms of service phrase. We see we add a template here. This template will automatically get transformed into a link when this screen is rendered on a device. We can see a preview of this here in our iOS simulator. We see the screen rendered, and instead of a template, we see that this text has been converted into a link. We can tap on this to see an mbark handler handling it. It's showing an alert. How do we get this set up in a host app? Let's open up our sample iOS project. So we see here that we define two tieback IDs, one for terms and one for privacy. Now, these IDs are reserved or defined already by the mbark platform. So we can't use or reuse these terms ourselves. But what we can do is add mbark action handlers to handle any events that get associated with these IDs. Let's see how we do this now. We see we have two helper methods here, one for the terms tieback and one for the privacy tieback. And in each, we define an mbark action handler, which gets assigned to the tieback property. We assign the tieback ID, in this case the terms ID, and down here we assign the privacy ID, and we assign handling closures. Now these closures are quite simple. They only show an alert, but you can open up a web view, you can navigate the user to a web page, or display some other type of view in your app. Now, it's important that after you've completely handled this tieback action, that on the tieback itself, you call the finish method. This will let the mbark framework know it should proceed with any additional actions that are waiting to be performed. And that's it. That's how we can add link to text in mbark.